Hi guys, it's Romina. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm gonna do a super cute manicure for Easter and spring. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and let's get started. So first, I'm gonna apply my base coat. Remember to always wear a base coat. It will help to smooth out the surface before you paint your nails. It will also help to prevent stains, and it will make your manicure last longer. So then I'm gonna apply a neutral shade in two of my nails. These are not gonna be fully covered in color, so I just want that tone to see through. Then on my ring nail, I'm just gonna use this Mooncat tone. It's super beautiful, and also this pink. I recommend you always put two coats just to make sure that your application is super smooth and there's no patchiness. Now for the stamping part, I'm just gonna use these two images here, and I'm gonna cover half of two of my nails. I'm still gonna use a non-stamping polish. This is a regular polish, part of the same collection of the other colors. This is Mooncat Technicolor Dreams collection, I think. I did a review on this collection last year, and I also tested the polishes for stamping, and they turn out beautiful. So I'm just gonna cover half of the nails, and I'm just gonna apply two coats so you have enough coverage. So now I'm gonna add this topper. This is gonna give me the eggshell look that I want. And if you don't have this, you can just put a little bit of black polish and dab it with an old mascara brush and then put it on your nails. Or you can also do it with a toothbrush or with a sponge. So now I'm gonna add the daisies. I thought this would be a really cute detail to add to my nails because sometimes pastels are not very good on their own. I personally don't like pastels very much on their own, so that's why I added a little bit of black, a little bit of white, and I think it really adds up. So I'm just gonna stamp the daisies one by one. I recommend you use a very small stamper because that way you have less cleanup to do, and it's also easier to manipulate. Then I'm just gonna put a little yellow dot on the center. I'm using a very pigmented yellow because I wanted to stand out from the pastel shades. And then the smudge free top coat, and the first option will be the glossy finish. I think it looks already super beautiful, and I really love the color on my thumb, but I really do prefer the matte finish, so here I'm applying it, and I think this looks really cool, very Eastery, very springy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.